Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this channel, like I always talk about building side hustles because I feel side hustles are very important to build multiple income sources so that you will become financially independent very quickly. But how to make money using side hustles? So if you say like I am a good writer, but I don't know how to make money with it. You might say like I'm a good designer, but I don't know how to make money with it. So there are various cases that I have heard recently. I also shared many freelancing sites earlier. Many told me like it didn't work out for me. So in this video, I will share a platform where it is easy for you to earn money using your side hustle. You will find many opportunities based on your skill. So I will share my screen and I will show you how it actually works. So this is the homepage of Side Hustle Stack. So you'll find the link of it in the description. So you can see this is a platform where you can find work related to any side hustles, I can say. So and it is something a free resource. You don't even need to sign up here. So everything is free. You can find it for free. So let's suppose you can see here are the work categories. Let's suppose you are good in writing. You can see here writer options, and if you click writer, you will see all the platforms that are hiring writers. So you can see all the platforms which are hiring part-timers for their work. I can say, or let's click a platform. Now I'm clicking this mirror. So they are providing work for your writing skill. You need to sign up for the platform level here. So you don't need to sign up for side hustle stack, but you need to sign up for the platform that you are going to make money. And similarly, there are various side hustle stacks available here. Let's suppose if you are a content creator, let's click content creator. You will see various platforms. So let's click a platform. So I'm clicking a platform called Quick Place. If you are a content creator, how you can actually make money using your content creation skill. So they were providing the description and the work that you need to do, and you will see how much you can earn through hourly basis. So yeah, this is a platform which allows every individual to make some decent passive income using side hustles. Literally, you can see various things here: content creating. If you are a good chef, how you can actually make money using that skill. If you are a coach or a community leader, or if you are someone who is good in e-commerce or tech, if you teach things, if you are a salesperson, if you are someone who is in healthcare, if you're a gamer. So every individual can make money using this side hustle stack. You can find the website link in the description, and I hope it would be helpful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this really helps you. And if you want someone else to benefit from this video, please share this video in network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.